Krista, let's go. Ready? Here we go. Poof, you're a happy baby. Do you want to help Daddy do that again? Krista, come on. Daddy, do it. Krista, come here. Come over here. No, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Give me your hand. Come here. Krista, stand up. Stand up. Here, hold on to the one. Hold on to the one.
Andrew's almost 6
Daddy.
months old.
Ready? Ready? We're going to do a spell on Andrew. Ready? Poof, you're a happy baby. Poof, you're a happy baby. See, it works.
Come on, Krista, say your spell. Abracadabra, hocus pocus.
Abracadabra, hocus pocus. I have peanut butter sandwiches.
And now, poof, you're a happy baby.
Poof, you're happy baby. Poof, you're happy baby. Poof, you're happy baby. Poof, you're
Gentle.
happy baby. Poof, you're happy baby.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
You're happy baby. Poof, you're happy baby.
Wait, I can't be a happy baby. Because I'm not a baby.
Poof's a happy baby.